Here again, guys. Today we're going to talk about content marketing and how we're going to execute content and designing and implementing marketing in our LLC or in our portfolios. And your facilitator is Stanton Black, the MCVP Marketing, Isaac in Uganda, and MC Data, former LCB Marketing, Isaac in Saudi, Tanzania. Objective of this session is to understand the knowledge of content marketing, and also the second objective is to clarify the basics in creating content marketing. What you find in this booklet: meaning of content marketing, types of content marketing plan, steps for content marketing plan. Content marketing. So let's start with content marketing. What's the content marketing? I think every one of you understand in your knowledge about content marketing, what that means, what the content marketing deal with, what you're going to do in content marketing, but also why is it important for you as a marketer person to deal with or to know about content marketing. So basics more in content marketing is to understand your what and why in content marketing. Content marketing is the action of business of promoting and selling product or service, including market research and advertising. So you after marketing research, you advertise, then you go direct to market. Then after starting that actions is where is content marketing starts. Means you produce something concerning what you did. Types of content marketing: one is creation content, which is original content. Means the first one, you as individual, as a marketer, you did. What you think, what you believe, what you know is to help people to understand or to help people to recognize what you're selling, is that we call it creation content or original content. Curation or using other people's content and sharing it, that is the second kind of content marketing. So curation means using other people's content and sharing it. Maybe you're sharing some messages, you're sharing some posts from either Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. After the sharing means you did curation content marketing. Third one is creative curation. Share content and comment on it. Maybe you added some comments on your sharing post that you did creative curation. Means you add some value on that curation content. So after adding that additional value is you call it creative curation. And I know every one of us, we always sharing posts. If you post it impressing to you, you will share it, you share to other people, you share to us your account, your and elsewhere in social media. That you did is creative curation, or share content and comment on it. So what's now? Think the type of content you can use in your business, then share. Like you, what do you think that what kind of content you can use? Either you can use creative curation, or you can use curation or original content. What do you think that can be easier for you and they can be more resulting for you as content creator? So I should create a content based on type of one type. Maybe you should create content either using origin, or you can use the curation or creative curation. That really gives an answer is not read. You can use all contents. Instead, maybe it depends what kind of content you need to share, what kind of your customer, what kind of content comes into your mind, and you want to convert it into action. That you call it content creators. So creation content is best to use as guide for attraction to audience, then market itself. So after creating your content, will it be easier to your customers to view or to read or to interact with your content or your marketing? If any, it'd be easier for them, and then attracting them or doing it, and then you call it find call to action. That's how I call it content rigid. So after your content rigid, people, they take action. Content marketing plan Here you can plan what you're going, when you need to plan to do this, when you need to research content, where you need to research content. So here you're going to look on what plan and what content you need to release, what time, where, in which channel. So here you need to understand your channels of communication, your content, your kind of content, so as you can understand better way and better audiences that you need to reach direct of your content. Do you understand the content marketing plan? This means that I say you need to understand your content calendar. And here is an example of monthly content calendar of ISEC in Uganda, which we use to create, to update our contents based on event, what you need to do at what time and which channel, either in Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, whatever. So here you're going to analyze yours. So also you can prepare yours on how you to align your contents. Got it? And then let's discuss on the steps for creating an effective content marketing plan. So an effective content marketing plan will be easier for you or give you the chance to analyze the audience, kind of content and channel of your content. So unless you want to make someone feel in your content, first strategy, you need to set goals and the KPIs, that what key performance indicators need from that content. Every strategy begins with goals. So before setting your strategy, come with goals so as you can understand how you're going to reach that goal. Second is decide on target audience, that what kind of target audience you need to target, you need to reach. And third, audit your current content. So make some changes, maybe what content after revealing what went well last time, now you can reveal and audit your content currently. Fourth is identify the best content channel. Maybe you need to use Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, or in physical selling flyers. You need to use the brochures. So you need to understand what channel you're going to use. Next, decide on the content types. So what kind of type content you need to use. Either you need to use inbound content or outbound. Inbound, physical, and online. What kind of content? Maybe you need to use posters. Do you need to use online? Do you need to use flyers to whether to pin somewhere flyers so people they can take an action? That's also needed to decide. Next is determine the budget, tools, and resources. Is that the content will be supported by your financial resources? Do you have resources, either human resource, financial resource, or any kind of resource? Is that supportive? If it's supportive, it's where you need to create content that my content will be supported because I have that. So here you need to determine the budget, tools, and resources. After having all of this, is where you can come up with a clear idea on how to plan your content. Next is to create a content calendar. As we stated before, now create content calendar as your pathway, that what you're going to do at what time and when. And then the last, create your content. And here you're going to come up with general conclusion and you create your content about what you expect, what you want people to understand from your service. So here, guys, now you can measure yourself with your level of understanding, either if you understand where the content about what you discuss about. So here measure, like first is understanding 70% to 90%. The second is understanding 40% to 69%. And the last one is for those who understand 20% to 39%. And I think every one of you will understand it. And something comes in your mind, especially once you come on creating and the creation of content calendar. Marketing is all we do to make someone agree or our thoughts in his marketing. So what we do and what someone will agree with our thoughts or idea is what we call marketing. Also, there's a one statement here, and we can lead yourself, then you understand. If you didn't understand, means the board one is not for you. You are not in that generation. So guys, I think it's the end of that session. So we have the momentum and the marketing in Uganda, the eye of Isaac in Uganda. And the brand visibility, the brand identity is learned by Isaac. And that the brand, that Isaac who learned the brand is marketing person in Isaac in Uganda. So that's take it and learn and how you can learn it. Thank you.